Hearing the man was smothered triggered Donnie's memory back to when Jared was 11 years old and he was 5. After their parents went to work, Jared started smothering him relentlessly. He forced Donnie into their parents' bedroom and demanded that he make their bed. Donnie tucked in the top sheet, his small hands fumbling.
That's not good enough. You are a lousy bed maker. I know what you need.
No, Jared! Why do you do this to me? Why? Please don't.
Jared then grabbed a pillow and covered Donnie's face, pressing down hard. The scent of his mother's White Shoulders perfume filled Donnie's senses, mixing with panic as he struggled to breathe.
What's your problem, Donnie? Can't you breathe?